Hello student, today we are going to see compound microscope for the relaxed eye. Okay, the final image is formed at infinite. Okay, relaxed eye, the final image is going to form at infinite. Okay, so finally the image will be forming at infinite. That is the diagram we are going to draw. Okay, so I am taken object. Okay, A B is the object. Okay, so object is placed in between f4 and 2f4. There are two lenses there. One is objective lens, another one is eye lens. Okay, for compound microscope, eye lens is bigger than the objective lens. Okay, the parallel ray, the ray which is parallel to the principal axis, it will passes through the focus. Okay, the ray which is center, it passes at center, optical center, undeviatedly passes at straight. Okay, so the final image of this, it's formed behind 2f. Okay, the final image is formed at here. Okay, that is a point fe. Okay, so that is a point we are taken as a fe. Okay, the objective eye lens focal length. Okay, that is the point we are taken as a fe. It is a focal length of eye lens. When the object is placed at f, the image will be infinite. Okay, so see this image, I am going to draw how it's we are going to draw the ray diagram. The parallel ray will passes through the principal focus. Okay, so the passes through the fe. Okay, center ray undividedly goes straight. Okay, so both is a parallel ray. Okay, so parallel ray will converge only at infinite point. Okay, so the final image is going to form at infinite. Okay, yeah, thank you. Today this diagram, from this today class we learned from this diagram how the relaxed high image formation with the compound microscope. Thank you.